Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Aspiring Minds, a complete educational hub. And today we are going to start a new series, Plezmo app code with Umesh. In this series, we will learn how to build Android applications. Isn't it interesting? Yes friends. Dear friend, trust me, you will build your first app in just couple of minutes. I know there must be some questions in your mind, and the questions are like, do we need some prior experience or some kind of knowledge to learn this course? So let me tell you and let me give you the answer. No friend, we do not need any kind of prior experience or knowledge to learn this course. If you are a beginner, don't worry, I'll hold your hand till the end. I'll teach you Plezmo from the scratch only. So be with me. If you have yet not subscribed my channel Aspiring Minds, a complete educational hub, then please subscribe it to get the latest updates of my videos and Plezmo course as well. We'll learn what are apps and why we need to build it and how to build it in my next video. Till the time, stay tuned and thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.